Hello, my students, how are you? Today we'll solve cognitive assessment number 16 to lesson 4 and 5, unit 11 from المعاصر book. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. The distance between E and B is space units. We have here points P and 0 and A. We have equality parts between them. From 0 to B was 4 units. B here -4 because this point lies to left hand side on the point 0, and here the distance 5 units to the point 0. Then the distance between E and B will be 4 units plus 5 units. 4 plus 5, it will be 9. Okay, the distance between E and B, it will be 9. Choose letter C about this question. Understood? You want to find the distance between A and B. From 0 to A, it will be 5 units, and from 0 to B, 4 units. 5 plus 4 equal 9. Next example. Question letter P. Space gram equal 20 kilogram. We want to convert from kilogram to gram product by 1000. Then the result will be 20,000. 20,000 gram equal 20 kilogram. Next question. Question letter C. The distance between A and B is 7 units. Then x equal what? He wants to find the value of x here. Look at with me about this number 9 here. He give us x and O and B. B was -3.8. Then the distance between A and B, it will be 3.8 units. It's the distance from 0 to the point B. He give us the distance between A and B is 7. Then the distance here was 7 units. He want to find x equal what? X here reverse to A. We know 7 subtract by 3.8, it will be give the side length, because from 0 to x equal from 0 to B subtract from 7. You can find this distance. Write the distance between A and B, 7 subtract by 3.8. 7 subtract 3.8, 7 subtract by 3.8, we must put 0 here. Okay, put 0 and find the difference between two numbers. 0 minus 3, we can't do it, put 1. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 6 minus 3 equal 3. Then x here will be 3.2. It's the distance between 0 and x. Then the result here will be letter P. Choose letter P. The value of x equals 3.2. Understood? Again, we have the distance between A and B was 7 units. He give us the distance was 7 units from A to B. And from 0 to B, the length here was 3.8. The distance between 0 and 3.8, 3.0 to the point B, 3.8. Then if you want to find the distance between 0 to A, you must find the difference between A and B and OB. Understood? 7 subtracted by 3.8, it will be 3.2. Then the value of x, it will be 3.2. Letter D. If 10% of pupils in the class equal 5 pupils, the total number of pupils in the class equal what? We want to find the total number in the class. How we find the result? First, you must draw this triangle and divided this triangle about 3 parts. Right here the part, and here whole number, and here is percent. Okay, he give us the percent was 10%. 10% of pupils, we want to find the number of pupils, the total number, and give us 10% of the total number equal 5. To find the total number, you can write 5 divided by 10%. Write 5 divided by 10 over 100, and then write 5, convert from division to multiplication. Write 100 over 10, inverse about this number, reciprocal about this number, cancel 0 by 0, and 5 times 10 equal 50. Then the total number will be 50. Choose letter P. Next question. Letter E. The distance between the point -4 and -3 and its image by reflection across y-axis. We want to find the distance between this point and the image by reflection across the y-axis. First, we can find the image about this point, reflection about y-axis. We know any point contains of x and y. Reflection about y-axis, put y here, -3, and just change the sign about x, it will be 4. It's the rule here about reflection about y dash or y-axis. It will be -x and y. -4, it will be 4, and write y here -3. Then the point will be 4 and -3. Okay, the point here will be 4 and -3. You want to find the distance between this point, -4 and -3, and this point. Okay, to find the distance between 2 points, you must put in the graphical first point, the order of it was 4 and -3. It was 4 and -3 here. It's the point 4 and -3. And second point, -4. It was -4 here to -3 down. This is the point. We have -4 and -3, and we want to find the distance between them. We have here 4 units, and from 0 to this point was 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8 units. Okay, to find the result between 2 points, we must count how many units between them. 4 plus 4 equal 8. We have 4 distance and 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8 units. Or you can cancel the similar between them and write the absolute value about -4 plus absolute value second number and first number. The result will be 4 plus 4 equal 8. Distance between 2 points, it will be 8 units. Okay, it's the result about this example. The result will be 8. Choose letter B. Here about question letter, choose letter E. About letter E, choose letter E. Next question. Complete the following. Number 1, the distance between 2 points 3 and -4 and 3 and 7. We have 3 and -4, and second point was 3 and 7. First point similar about second point in 3. Then you can find the absolute value about first and the absolute value of second. We have the different signs here, negative and positive. Then you must add them. If we have different sign, you must add the absolute value about first, absolute value of second. The result will be 4 plus 7 equal 11. Or you can write this in graphical. First point 7, first point 3 and -4. 3 here and -4. And 3 and 7, and the distance between them, we have here 4 units and there 7 units. 7 plus 4, it will be 11 units. The distance between 2 points, it will be 7 parts, and 4 parts. 7 plus 4 equal 11 parts, or 11 units. Next question, letter P. We have 1 subtract by 25% plus 35%. 1 equal 100%. Subtract the sum of them. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 0 and carry of 1. 4 plus 2 equal 6. 100% subtract by 60% equal 40%. Then the result will be 40%. Next question, letter C. The distance between 2 points is space. We have first point negative 1.31 and 7.8115. It's the first point, and second point here 5.6 and 7.815. We can find the distance between 2 points here. How? Cancel the similar. The similar between 2 points here, this decimal and this decimal. You can find the absolute value about first, negative 1.311, and absolute value about second, 5.06. We have the different sign to positive and negative, then you must add them. Then the result 1.311 plus 5.06. 6 plus 1 equals 7, 0 plus 3 equals 3, 5 plus 1 equals 6, and the result will be 6.317. 6.317, okay? Question here, letter D. The ratio between two numbers to 5 and the second number is 20. Then the sum of the numbers equal what? First number and second. The ratio between them equal what? Equal 2 to 5. Then you must draw here 2 parts and here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they give us the sum of them was what? The sum? Two numbers equal 20. And we know 2 plus 5 equal 7. Sum of them equal 20. No, he give us the second number. The second was 20. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 20 divided by 5 equal 4, because he give us the value of second was 20. 20 divided by 4 to find each one here, to find each one of this square equal 20 divided by 4, 5 equal 4. Then each part here will be 4. Then he won't find the sum. First number will be what? The first will be 4 plus 4 equal 8, and second will be 20. Then the sum of them, you can add them. 20 plus 8, it will be 28. It's the sum of two numbers. Okay, understood? You give us second was 20. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Then each one equal 4. You can find the first. 4 plus 4 equal 8. And you can find the second, it will be 20. Okay, this is the result about question. The result will be 28. Next question, letter E. The distance between 2 points, point A, the order here 2 and Y, and point B 2 and negative 1 is 6. He give us the distance between them, EB equals 6. We can find EP by find the absolute value. We have here 2 and Y and 2 and negative Y. He won't find the value of Y. It gives us, and the point A lies in the first quadrant. Point A lies in the first quadrant, it's meaning positive and positive. And we have positive and negative. Then you must find the absolute value about first plus the absolute value about second. Okay, then the absolute value of the first, cancel 2 by 2 and write the absolute value about first here. Absolute value plus absolute value about second, Y and negative 1. He gives us the distance between them equals 6. Okay, then Y plus 1 equals 6. Then the value of Y equals 5. Or you can solve the example by another method. Here you can draw the graphical here, and put the first point 2 and negative 1 here, 2 and negative 1 here. It's the point 2 and negative 1. It's the point, and give us point 2 and y, and distance between them 2 plus 4 equals 6. Then we have 4 units up in the order here. It will be 6 and 4. They give us the distance between them. We have here 1 units. Okay, 4, 2 and negative 1 here, 2 and negative 1. Then we have 1 unit here, and the distance between them was what? This distance was 6 units. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then the order here will be going to down here 2 and up about this point, moving 2 points and up 5. Then the value of y here equal 5. You can solve this example by two methods. First method, absolute value about first plus absolute value about second equals 6. Absolute value of y equal y plus 1 equals 6. Then the value of y equal 5. Okay. Next example, plot each point pairs the graphical and then find the distance between them. We have first point in the coordinate. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This point was negative 3 and 0. And we have 6 and 0. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point here. D was, we have B. 6 and 0. Then the distance between them, we have 6 units here and here 3 units. 6 plus 3 equal 9. Then the distance will be 9. About letter E, the distance will be 9. You can write the absolute value about first plus absolute value about second. The first here from 2 to 5, A 2 and 5. Here 2 and 5. B was 2 and 8. Sorry, I will solve it again. Again, I have here the point A was 2 and 5. And point B was 2 and 8. Sorry, to find the distance between them, first you must put the points graphical from 2 to 8 and 2 to 5. The distance between them 3 units. Or you can solve it, write absolute value, cancel 2 by 2, absolute value about first, the greatest number, and the smallest number 5, and then find the difference between them 3, because 8 and 5 like similar. The sign here positive and positive. If we have positive and positive, you must write negative between absolute value first and absolute value second. And letter B, we can find the distance between C and D. The point D was negative, we have C was negative 3 and 0, which is letter P. And letter A, the result will be 3. Letter A, the result will be 3. Okay, the distance here will be 3. Now I will solve letter B, the distance between 2 points, point negative 3 and 0, and point D 6 and 0. We have here 6 and 0, this point 6 and 0, and this point negative 3 and 0. The distance here 6 plus 3, it will be 9. Then the distance will be what? 9 units. We have here 9 units. 3 plus 6. Or you can find the absolute value about term plus absolute value about second. 6 plus 3. 6 and then 3, it will be 9 units. It's the last question here.